Start problem number 6, which is related to third property which we were discussing, that is change of scale property. Okay, they are saying Laplace of, there is some function, if we do Laplace of that function we are getting it as e raised to power minus 1 by s, and they are asking us to find out Laplace of e raised to power minus t f of 3t. Okay, so how will you do? First you just keep this thing aside, because as we are seeing in previous problems, then you just see Laplace of f of 3t. We have Laplace of 3 but we don't have Laplace of 3t. How will you find Laplace of 3t? As I was saying, change of scale property, f of 3t can be written as 1 by 3 function of s by 3. 1 by 3 function of s by 3. Then what we will get, 1 by 3 into whatever s is there what we have to keep, s by 3. Why? Because a value is 3 here. So e raised to power minus 1 by s by 3 by s by 3. 1 by 3 cancel. What will get, e raised to power minus 3 by s, this 3 will go in numerator, minus 3 by s by s. Okay, minus 3 by s by s. Then up to Laplace of f of 3t we have done. Then they are asking us to find out Laplace of e power minus t. A value is 1 here. F of 3t. We have f of 3t. So for evaluating this, wherever s is there, I should keep s plus 1. So e raised to power minus 3 by s plus 1 by s plus 1. Okay. So we have found out what is the Laplace transform of given function. Then let us start multiplication by t. Okay, one concept, that is, as I was saying, multiplication by t and division by t. So multiplication by t, that means if you have some Laplace function, that is t into some Laplace function, then how you can write is minus 1 into dy ds of function of s. That means first you have to find out, apply Laplace of f of t, then you will get some function in terms of s. Okay, then do differentiation of that function. Okay, then if you have Laplace of t square f of t, then you can write minus 1 whole square ds square into f of s. That means 2 times differentiation of f of s. If you have Laplace of t cube, f of t can be written as minus 1 whole cube ds square d cube by ds cube f of s. Then and so on, you will have to go for Laplace of t raised to pi n f of t can be written as minus 1 raised to pi n d power n ds raised to pi n f of s. Okay, hope you are getting this thing. This is how you have to do the problems whichever are related to multiplication by t. Let's suppose if you have some problems related to division by t. Let's suppose if you have some function which is divided by t, then what you have to do, simply you have to do, if it is multiplication you will do differentiation, if it is division you have to do integration from limits s to infinity f of s ds. First find f of s, then apply integration. Laplace of f of t by t square suppose, then 2 times s into s into 2 integrals f of s ds. Likewise, if you have n times of t divided by t, then that thing can be written as s to infinity s to, okay, here s to infinity integral s to infinity and so on n times f of s ds. Okay, hope you are getting this thing. Let us start solving some problems. First, problem number 7. What is problem number 7? They have given Laplace of t e power t sin 2t. T e power t sin 2t. Okay, so okay, what you have to do not apply this first shifting theorem always, as we were doing. Whenever you see e power t, you just keep that thing first. e power t. We will solve this later because that will complicate the problem. T into sine 2t. First find Laplace of t sine 2t. And again we don't know Laplace of t sine 2t. We know how to solve, but we should first find out function of s. That thing can be written as Laplace of sine 2t. Sine 2t can be written as 2 by a by s square plus a square, that is 4. Is it? Yes. Then we should apply Laplace of t sine 2t. How will you apply Laplace of t sine 2t is, how many times t is 1, so minus 1 raised to power 1 minus 1 d by ds of what is function of s we have got for sine 2t, that is 2 by s square plus 4. Take out 2, that is constant, minus 2 into, do differentiation, that is d by ds of 1 by s square plus 4. Do differentiation, what you will get, minus 2 into, differentiation is s square plus 4 whole square, u by v you should apply. Okay, then s square plus 4 or otherwise minus 1 by x square you will be getting. You can do that way also. So v I will keep like that only, into differentiation of u is 0 minus, then I will keep u like that only, differentiation of v is 2s. So total what I will get, this is 0, here minus 2s minus 2s, total is 4s. 4s divided by s square plus 4 whole square, 4s divided by, so can I tick option A, 4s by s square plus 4 whole square? If I tick option A, that is negative marking. Why? Because they are not asking us to find out Laplace of t sine 2t. Instead they are asking Laplace of e raised to power t t sine 2t. How will you do e raised to power t sine 2t? If there is e raised to power t, only thing you have to change s from s minus 1, because a value is 1 here. Change s from s minus 1, 4 into s minus 1 by s minus 1 whole square plus 4 whole square. This is the correct option. So which option is correct now? Option C is correct. If you tick option A, you will get negative marking. Now they are asking problem up to this point, up to e raised to power t, first shifting property. Okay, hope you got this thing.